Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go count. Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go add. When all that counting is done, we'll be adding sums. How are you today, math stars? So we've been doing a lot of classifying, which means we're sorting and grouping objects. Like objects, we're grouping them together. So if we were sorting by color, would we put a red dinosaur with a green dinosaur? They're not the same, so they would be sorted into different groups if we were sorting by color. If we were sorting by size, do you think these two dinosaurs are the same size? Yes, they might be together, right? Yeah. If we were sorting by color, would these two be together? Yeah. Now, today we're talking about sorting by size. So I have two Tyrannosaurus Rexes. If I go like this, he looks really big. Oops, because he's really close. He looks really big. And he looks really small because he's really far away. Really, look at. If we're sorting by size, I have a big. He doesn't stand up by himself very well. A big Tyrannosaurus Rex and little, big and little. Would they be in the same group if I'm sorting by size? No, they would be in different groups. Big group, little group. So today that's what we're going to do. We're going to sort by size. So right now you need to go ahead and get your books. So pause this if you don't have your books yet and get books and a pencil. Okay? All right. You ready? Let's open our books. Here we go. We are on Module 4, Lesson 3, and that is page 89. Do you know how to write the number or what the number 89 looks like? Let me show you. I'll show you. Number 89 looks like an 8 and a 9. 8, 9, 89. All right, so open it. And today we are going to learn to classify our objects by size to sort them. Then we're going to determine how many are in each category or group, and write the number for each group. So let's look. Page 89. And let's listen to this story. Ooh, is that a little close? A little close. Okay. Well, here's our story. Eli wants, and he needs your help. Eli needs your help. So how can you help him sort? He has this really nice bean plant, right? And he wants to know if he has more big beans than small beans. So here's a bin for big beans, and here's a bin for small beans. So can you see the beans on there? What I want us to do is I want us to count how many big beans first. Okay, we're going to count how many bigs. And when we're counting, we want to make sure we don't count an object twice. So I'm going to put an X on it, but let's count. 1, 2, 3. Do we have any more? Are these the same size? This one and this one? So we have 3 big beans. Now let's count how many little beans. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 4 small beans. All right. Oh. Just a second. Silly. Here we go. We're going to clear all of my crosses off so that we can see. All right. Do you remember we said 3 big ones? 3 big ones and 4 small ones, right? There we go. Nice job sorting today, friends. All right. Now let's go to the next page, and I'm going to zoom back out now. Here we go. All right. We have tomatoes. Do you like tomatoes? I like tomatoes. We have big tomatoes and small tomatoes. Okay, McKenna has 5 tomatoes in her garden. Let's count the tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5. 5 tomatoes in her garden. Some are big and some tomatoes are small. Can you write the number of tomatoes in each category? So this is the word big, big. How many big tomatoes does she have? Can you count those for me? 1, 2. And I know you know how to draw a 2. 2 big tomatoes. How many small tomatoes? 1, 2, 3. We're not counting those there, just these up here above the line. 1, 2, 3. And let's go around and make a 3. All right, can you do that? Nice job, friends. Nice job, math stars. All right, let's go to the next page. Oh, here's a boy. He's wearing a nice yellow shirt with red buttons. Do you see his buttons? We're going to classify those buttons. Do you remember what classify means? It means to sort them or to group them. We're going to do it by size. So we're going to look at the size. Draw the buttons in each category on the chart. Write the total number of buttons in each category. Nick has 4 buttons on his shirt. Let's count just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4. He wants to know how many buttons he has of each size. So this right here is a column. So we're going to do that. We're going to write the number for how many big ones, and we're going to do how many small ones. So this is the way we're going to do it. We are going to do a shape, a button shape. Okay, let's see. Big. Do you see 1 big button? 2 big buttons. 1, 2 big buttons. Then we're going to look here. How many small buttons? Let's count. 1, 2. So then we're going to do 2 small buttons. Okay, nice job. Now, we also want to know, can you write that number? I bet you can. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. Is that the same? Is that equal? Are the 2 groups the same? He has the same number of big and small, an equal number of both buttons. Nice job. All right. This is the on your own. Those aren't tomatoes. Those are red bell peppers. Yum, red bell peppers. Are you ready? You're going to classify the peppers by size. And when they say classify, they mean, see this line here on your paper? It's all of these that are up here above that line. Okay, you're going to classify the peppers in each category. Write to represent the number of peppers in each category. Mosey has 6 peppers in her garden. Some peppers are big and the rest are small. So you're going to count the big ones. 1. Oh, I'm not going to do it for you. You're going to count the big ones. And you can put, if you want, you can draw like red circles if you want, right? To represent each of them. And you can put that. But then right here, you're going to write the number. How many big peppers? And then you're going to count the small ones. And you're going to count and write how many small peppers there are. Okay? All right. That is your lesson for today. We sorted based on our size. Uh-oh. Have a good day. See you later.